What if animals could talk like us? Imagine the possibilities. From the moment you wake up, your dog could greet you with a cheerful "good morning" and tell you about the dream he had while sleeping. Imagine a world where your dog tells you about his dream, describing every detail with excitement. He could share his thoughts on the new toy you bought him, or even ask for his favorite treat. Or your cat could complain about the food, giving you a detailed critique of the meal you served. She might even suggest her preferred brand of cat food, or tell you about her adventures while you were away. This incredible idea changes everything. Suddenly, animals are not just silent companions, but active participants in our daily lives. They could share their feelings, their likes and dislikes, and even their fears. Suddenly, animals are not so different from us. They have their own personalities, their own stories to tell. A chimpanzee could explain how it uses tools, or dolphins could share their experiences of swimming together in the ocean. They have thoughts, feelings, and stories to share. Think about the possibilities. Elephants could tell us about their family bonds and migratory journeys, while birds might describe the intricate process of building their nests. We could have conversations with dolphins in the ocean, learning about their underwater world and the challenges they face. And they could tell us about their social structures and the beauty of the deep sea, or ask eagles about life in the sky. They could share their perspective on the world from above, describing the landscapes they see and the freedom of flight. This amazing ability would change how we see animals forever. No longer would they be just creatures in the wild. They would become individuals with unique voices and stories. No longer just pets or creatures in the wild. They become individuals with voices. Imagine the depth of connection we could have with our pets, understanding their needs and emotions on a whole new level. Animals talking would be a huge event in history. It would revolutionize our understanding of the animal kingdom and our place within it. Zoos and wildlife reserves would become centers of learning and communication. It would change our relationship with nature. We would become more attuned to the needs and desires of the animals around us, fostering a deeper sense of empathy and responsibility. It's exciting and a little bit scary to think about. The idea of animals talking opens up a world of possibilities, but it also challenges us to rethink our role as caretakers of the planet. But one thing is certain: the world would never be the same. The voices of animals would add a rich new layer to our understanding of life on Earth, making our planet a more vibrant and connected place. Imagine waking up to your dog asking for breakfast. "Woof! Scrambled eggs today, please." It's not just a bark anymore, it's a clear request. You'd know exactly what your furry friend wants to eat, making mornings more interactive and fun. Or your cat reminding you, "Meow, don't forget to clean my litter box." No more guessing games about what your cat's meows mean. They could tell you if they prefer a different brand of litter or if something's bothering them. This is the world of talking animals, a place where every pet has a voice and every animal can share its thoughts and feelings. Imagine the stories they would tell, the secrets they would share, and the bonds that would deepen. Going for walks would become conversations. Your dog might tell you about the interesting smells or point out a squirrel hiding in the tree. Walks would be filled with shared experiences and mutual discoveries. Your dog might tell you about the interesting smells or point out a squirrel hiding in the tree. They could share their excitement about the park or even warn you about something unusual they sense. Horseback riding would involve actual discussions about the best trails. Your horse could tell you which paths are the safest or most scenic, making your rides more enjoyable and informed. But it's not just pets. Imagine the possibilities with farm animals. Farmers could understand exactly what their cows need, leading to better care and healthier livestock. Imagine farmers understanding exactly what their cows need. They could ask their cows how they feel, what they need, and even if they prefer a different type of feed. This would revolutionize farming practices, or zoologists learning about animal behavior directly from the source. They could ask animals about their habits, preferences, and even their thoughts on their environment, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in animal science. Communication opens doors to a deeper understanding of the animal world. It would bridge the gap between humans and animals, fostering empathy and respect. Talking to animals would change our daily routines in surprising and delightful ways. From morning chats with your dog to evening discussions with your cat, every moment would be enriched with new interactions. It would be a world full of new connections and understanding, a world where every animal has a voice and every human listens. Imagine the harmony and joy that would bring to our lives.
With talking animals, think about all the things we could learn. Imagine asking a chimpanzee about its tool-using skills, or a parrot about its amazing memory. Scientists could have breakthroughs in medicine by talking to animals with unique abilities. Imagine learning the secrets of a dolphin's sonar or a bat's echolocation. Animals could tell us about changes in the environment, warning us about pollution or natural disasters. They could even help us find new resources or understand climate change better. The possibilities for scientific discovery and understanding our planet would be endless. Animals hold so much knowledge, and with the ability to talk, they could become our partners in creating a better future.
While a world with talking animals seems amazing, there would be difficulties. Imagine the initial shock and excitement of hearing your pet speak. But beyond the novelty, there are deeper implications to consider. Could we understand each other perfectly? The nuances of language are vast. Even among humans, misunderstandings are common. What if their languages are very complex? Each species might have its own dialect, making communication a labyrinth of sounds and meanings. Some animals might not be as friendly as we hope. Predatory instincts and territorial behaviors don't vanish with the ability to speak. Imagine a lion explaining its desire to hunt. How would we reconcile our need for safety with their natural instincts? Or a spider defending its web? The intricacies of their lives would become clearer, but so would the potential for conflict. There might be disagreements and conflicts. Territorial disputes could escalate, and the balance of ecosystems might be disrupted. The biggest question is about rights. If animals can articulate their needs and desires, how do we address their rights? If animals can talk, do they deserve the same rights as humans? This could lead to a re-evaluation of our ethical and moral frameworks. Should they have their own laws, governments, and societies? The idea of animal governance might seem far-fetched, but it's a logical step in this new world. These are complex questions with no easy answers. The integration of talking animals into human society would require profound changes. While communication brings us closer, it also highlights our differences. Understanding each other is just the first step. It also highlights our differences. The way we live, our needs, and our behaviors are shaped by our biology and environment. Navigating this new world would require understanding, patience, and a willingness to adapt. We would need to learn from each other and find common ground, respect, and a willingness to share the planet equally. Only then can we hope to coexist harmoniously in a world where all voices are heard.
Section 5. Animals talk now. We just need to listen. We might think animals can't talk, but they communicate all the time. Dogs wag their tails, cats purr, and birds sing complex songs. These are all forms of communication. Bees use special dances to tell each other where to find food. Dolphins communicate with whistles and clicks. Elephants use low-frequency sounds that travel for miles. Animals have complex ways of talking to each other. We just haven't cracked the code to understand them fully. Imagine what we'll discover when we finally learn to listen.
Section 6. A planet of voices, a different future. A world where animals talk is a world transformed. It's a planet of voices where the lines between humans and animals blur. We would share not just our planet, but our thoughts, dreams, and fears. This future has the potential for incredible beauty and understanding. Imagine a world where humans and animals work together, not just coexisting, but truly understanding and respecting each other. It wouldn't be easy, but the rewards would be immeasurable. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the symphony of life is a chorus of diverse voices, all contributing to the harmony of our planet. Section 7. What do you think? Share your thoughts. What are your thoughts on a world where animals can talk? Would you like to have a conversation with your pet? What challenges do you think we might face? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's have a conversation about this fascinating possibility and imagine the future together. Section 8. Learn more amazing animal facts. Want to learn more about the amazing ways animals communicate right now? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible animal facts and discoveries. Join us on this journey of exploration and discover the wonders of the animal kingdom.